Okay, this is the northbound bill lading program for Cayman Islands. In this is the file that you're going to use. I'm going to delete this one, start over again. So this is the program. You open it, and the first thing you do is you set your vessel. In this case, it's going to be Carib Legend. Your voyage. It's 697 northbound. The date 7/23/25, and it's from Cayman, and it's going to be 2 PEV. And then the job number is 24. So once you got that, you want to save that off to another file name. So northbound bill program for Carib Legend 697 northbound Cayman to PV. Save. So now when you look at your directory, you'll have this program created. Now the first report you want to create is the Cayman website booking. So we'll go into Cayman port booking. Alright, and then you log in. Let's see if I remember this. Alright, so you export your file, and then you want to copy that file over to the directory that you're working in. So put that here. So now when you open this file, this is what it looks like in raw data. The program will read that program in. So you open that file, and it's in. So it's giving you the container number with hyphens, the GDZ type, the ISO type, the booking, the empty, the storage. All this information is there. Now, you want to do equipment inventory in order to find out the owner of the container. So go into GDZ. Go into equipment inventory, and you're going to run this. You don't have to have all the fields in there, and it doesn't matter which order you put them in. The program will figure it out. So you can leave all these columns in there if you want, or you can remove and just leave. All you need is equipment, type, ISO, and owner. And owner is way over here. So the owner will be in that file. So once this is done, you're going to export that to Excel. Okay, now export that to Excel. and you're going to put it into that directory. Let me move that over so you can see what I'm doing. So this is going to be Cayman inventory July 22nd, 2025. And now that's going to create an Excel spreadsheet with that so you can get the owner of the container. Okay, I just paused it to speed that up. So that exported it to the file. So now you see the program here. So now let's go back to the program. And now when I read in the equipment inventory, it's going to update the owner here. So read in file, Cayman inventory, and OK. And there you go. So now you have the owner for all of this equipment. Now you can choose to filter through this list what you don't want in there. The easiest way to do that is to use these little drop downs. So if you wanted to find general automotive, you know, the different bookings that are there, you can delete each one of these rows at once. Now when you go back, you're going to say all, and then the next one you want to filter is probably everything but, or no, you want to see loaded, so you can remove those. So now these are loadeds, so now I can go and remove all the loaded. I can also have the program not enter the loadeds if you prefer. But I was told only to filter out the empties. But let's see. So if we delete the rows, I go back and say all now. Now you're left with these containers, right? So the first sort you're going to do is by the ISO, but in order to do two different sorts, I can do one sort like that, but then the second sort I can't sort out the container. So the best thing to do here is just click the, maybe I'll put a sort feature up above. So in the sorts, we're going to put the ISO is the first one and the container is the second one. So now you got your 20 foots and then your tanks and your high cubes. Then you want to number it. So it's going to be 1, 2, and then double click. And then this one is going to be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and then we will drag this down because there's a lot of them. So that to here, and then we're gonna do 1, 2. Oh no, that's 1 again, 2. And these are the reefers that I'm populating here. So you got 27 reefers so far, and these are your counts per type. You can, there you go. Now, you can save this file because we already renamed it to Carib Legend. So, file save. If you do this, currently it's going to do a PDF file, but I'm thinking about changing that to an Excel spreadsheet instead. but this is what it looks like. So it produces a PDF file. I don't need all these columns, so that's why I said I was going to do an Excel spreadsheet, and I can just pick 1, 2, 3, 4, and then that would be the 5th column. I can leave owner in there. Now, if you want to oh wait, say we were to hide these, right? And you had seal and then owner, and say you wanted to get rid of all the other ones except for Crowley. You could go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm skipping Crowley, and basically that's all the containers, right? So if I go down here, I can basically just delete all that. And if I hit delete and then I go back and unfilter, now the only thing left is Crowley. So when it's a Crowley, it's going to show up here. Right? So that's a Crowley. That's a Crowley. And that's it. 2 Crowleys so far. But you can also do file print from here. Make this portrait. I'll change the range so that it's only got that. And print layout, page layout, print area. Okay, so now when I go to print, that's basically your list. So now when you go back to doing the seals, this can also read the seals. Let me unhide these. So now we got everything here. So when it's time to do the seals, you can read in the seals file, and it will update the seals for this. I can't do it now because none of these containers have seals on them, but I can demonstrate that later in another video. Thank you for watching.